resistance spot welding process doesn't use any type of filler material. It is mainly used to point weld two or more overlapping metals with the help of pressure and electric current. The pressure required for welding is created with copper electrodes as they bring the metals to their melting as well as welding points. Robotic welding is a type of welding which is highly automated with the help of robots. These robots work on the basis of a program. The programs can be reprogrammed to suit different types of needs. Welding robots generate less waste, produce quick as well as precise results, and are even capable of reaching inaccessible locations. Metal inert gas welding uses a welding gun to feed continuous solid wire into the weld pool, which ultimately results into joining the two base materials together. This wire electrode is consumable in nature. The weld pool is prevented from being contaminated by simultaneously passing a shielding gas through the welding gun. Tungsten inert gas welding uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode to create high-quality welds. An inert gas helps in protecting and cooling the tungsten. It is not essential to use a filler material in this type of welding, but in case filler is used, it is manually fed into the molten weld. A welding arc is formed between the electrode and the surface of the workpiece when the surface is scratched.